Guess what? The Z Flip screen is apparently not very scratch resistant. Welcome to Alphabet City. I'm your guide, Ayaz Akhtar, and you are the most amazing audience in the whole world. There's some controversy about what the Samsung Galaxy Z Flip screen is made out of. The YouTube channel Jerry Rig Everything has a durability test featuring the flip phone. In one test, screens are checked to see how scratch resistant the screens are. The host of the video, Zach Nelson, tests the screens using a 10-level scale. Plastic scratches at level 2 or 3. Real glass scratches at level 5 or 6. Sapphire scratches at 8 or 9. A pick left marks on the screen at level 2. With level 3, the screen gets all scratched up on the Z Flip. At level 4, Nelson says he could feel the pick cut into the display. Now, why does this matter? Because Samsung says the Galaxy Z Flip uses a glass screen. It's written nice and clearly on the Samsung site. It's not hidden in a spec sheet. Here, take a look at it. On the left, it says glass, but make it fold. On the right, it says meet the first ever folding glass screen on a Galaxy. Yeah, we said folding glass. Made of Samsung ultrathin glass, it sets you up for an epic view with a smooth, flat screen. Okay, so what's going on here? Is the screen glass? If it is, why does it scratch so easily? Now, Nelson guesses that Samsung could be using a hybrid plastic polymer with little specks of glass ingredients inside and just is calling it glass. Also an issue was the ability to scratch the screen using a fingernail. A freaking fingernail can dent the screen. Oh boy, so this is not good. You've got Samsung crowing that it's using glass. You've got a durability test showing that whatever the screen is made out of is not exactly as durable as other kinds of glass. Now, over the years, we've seen glass tech improve. Corning is the company behind Gorilla Glass. It was introduced in 2007, and it keeps getting tougher. Corning has a page highlighting recent Samsung products with Gorilla Glass, including the Note 10 and the S10. Looking at the full products list, the Z Flip is not seen using Gorilla Glass, and that would be crazy if it was on that list, because if Gorilla Glass could bend, everyone would be using that. That being said, Corning does have a bendable glass. Here's a sample from 2014 called Willow Glass. Here's a more recent video from December 2018 explaining Corning's bendable glass technology. That's a 75 micrometer piece of glass being bent. The video from Corning says the glass can be bent 200,000 times, but to a 5 millimeter radius. The glass is not folding on itself flat. That suggests the Samsung Z Flip is not using that particular glass from Corning. If you're interested, Samsung says it will charge $119 to replace a Z Flip screen for the first time. That deal is available for 1 year from the date of purchase. Now, should anyone be surprised that a foldable phone has a delicate screen? Well, probably not, but it's a tough pill to swallow when you're paying over $1,300 for a phone. Then again, if you're paying that much for the Z Flip, you should baby it like crazy. You should put it in the case Samsung gives you, and then put another case on top of that. Touch the screen delicately and not like a gorilla, because, it's not Gorilla Glass. On to Comment Cove. Last time we were talking about upgrading to the S20. Here's what you had to say. Benny says, I currently own a Note 10 Plus, and it's awesome. The S20 series will be a worthy upgrade for many people that have a S10 or Note 10/10 Plus, but I'll be patient and wait for the Note 20 series of Samsung phones to emerge before I consider upgrading. I'm with you because I like being able to write on my screen. Micah868 says, no, it's not 10x optical zoom, it's 4x. 10x zoom is hybrid, which basically means digital combined with optical. You are right. Thank you for that correction. The optical zoom on the S20 is 4x. Sorry about that mistake. Lukeman asks, are the screens curved? The screen is still curved, but it's not as curved as it was in the past. Now, thanks to everyone for writing in. Check out that S20 video here. If you've enjoyed your stay in Alphabet City, please like and subscribe. If you've got any questions, comments, or news, let me know. I'm Ayaz Akhtar, and I'll see you online.